Hello, my dear viewers, my well wishers, and my students. Tonight I have appeared before you with some vocabularies, most important vocabularies from our CASUARINA tree by Toru Dutt. And you know that in the third semester, class 12, under West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, this beautiful poem has been prescribed or included in the syllabus. Just I am discussing the vocabularies only, and later I will explain the whole poem. Clear? Let us just start the vocabularies. Like a huge python. The poem starts with a simile, like a huge python. That means like a very large tropical snake, python. Okay, like a very large tropical snake. Second, winding round and round the rugged trunk. The rugged trunk means the uneven or rough stem of the tree. Of the tree. I am repeating. The uneven, rough stem of the tree. I am reading the poem. Indented deep with scars. Indented deep. That means cutting deeply, on the surface, cutting deeply on the surface of the tree. Indented deep. Okay. Now come to the fourth vocabulary, scars. Indented scars. Then what is scars? Scars means marks of wounds or injury. Okay, marks of wounds or injury, scars. Summit, a creeper, with scars up to its very summit near the stars. Here summit means height, Height, height. Clear? Embraces. Let us read the poem. Up to its very summit near the stars, a creeper climbs, in whose embraces, that means taking the tree, under its grip or chest very closely and strongly taking the tree. The creeper has taken the tree under its grip or chest very closely and strongly. Clear? Gallantly. Let us read. No other tree could live, but gallantly the giant wears the scar. Gallantly means bravely or courageously. Bravely or courageously. Gallantly. Crimson clusters. It is an example of transferred epithet. That means the adjective has been transferred to the clusters. That means the flowers of the creeper are crimson in color. Then what is the crimson color? It is deep red or as red as vermilion. As red as vermilion. Clear? Crimson color. Crimson color may be sunset red color. During the sunset, the western horizon becomes as red as vermilion. That is the crimson color. Clear? Darkling. Darkling means occurring in dark. Occurring in dark. Something. Here you see the giant wears the scarf and flowers are hung in crimson clusters. All the boughs among whereon all day are gathered bird and bee, and of nights in the garden overflows with one sweet song that seems to have no close, sung darkling from our tree. That means from the dark place of the tree. Clear? Repose. While men repose. Men repose. Repose means rest. Repose means rest. So I have given you 10 vocabularies and I have taken all these vocabularies from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 lines. And within 3 days, I shall complete all the vocabularies, 30 vocabularies, and I shall discuss the entire poem with you. The content of the poem, the significance of the poem, and also the MCQs that may be set from the poem. Thanking all of you. Good night, and like, comment, share and subscribe please.